begin with, for the procession of our official guests. First from Kuya Eagle Roberto Arceli, our Chairman, Board of Trustees.
I now call this chartering of Santa Maria Bulacan Reunited Eagles Club to order.
I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our very energetic National President, Kuya Mark Lester Limping, who devoted his time in our organization. And I'm also truly thankful for the trust and confidence he has given to me to lead the Santa Maria Bulacan Reunited Eagles Club. And of course, I am equally grateful to all the members of SMB as well. Mga Kuya Kati, we have achieved our long-awaited dream of establishing this club, and it's now a reality. This accomplishment is a big step forward as we pursue our mission to help and serve our community and fellow citizens. The hard work and sacrifices we have made to establish this club have now come to fruition. So let us continue our mission with joy, fulfilling our obligations as true Eagles with sincere hearts. Let us take pride in our service, knowing that the return for our efforts will be fulfillment and peace of heart. Maraming salamat po mga Kuya Kate. Let's continue to soar together. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Kaya nga, Kuya at Ate ang tawag sa inyo dahil they pick you as brother and sister. Remember, as eagles, we rise above challenges and soar to greater heights together. May you embody the true spirit of service, leadership, and compassion. Mga Kuya at Ate, sabay-sabay tayong lumipad, magkaisa at magtulungan para pagsilbihan ang ating komunidad, lalo na ang higit na nangangailangan ng ating tulong at serbisyo. Gamitin natin ang ating lakas, oras at kakayahan upang magbigay ng pag-asa at malasakit sa abot ng ating makakaya. Maging inspirasyon at magandang halimbawa upang tayo ay pamarisan at may angat ang antas ng ating kapatiran tungo sa mas progresibong samahan. Sa ating pagkakaisa at diwa ng bayanihan, kaya nating bumuo ng mas makaguluhang pagbabago para sa kapakanan ng mas nakakarami. Mabuhay ang Agila!
To all newly inducted officers and members, and those of you who willingly share your talent, treasure, and time. Alam niyo yung treasure? Yan tanging buksan niyo. And for choosing the right Eagles nest, you are all welcome from the bottom of our heart to the original, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, 1979. Alam ko, matagal, ilang buwan, halos isang taon kayo naghintay to be inducted. It's more than enough to prove your strong determination to join the true nest of the Philippine Eagles, the Yakap Philippine Eagles. Our main advocacy is to help the less fortunate, help the needy, help one another. But remember mga kuya, Belize should not be painted with any political color. Mabuhay ang Angela! Mabuhay ang mentosong Angela! Mabuhay! Salamat po.
That charter ka. Kapag hinahawakan mo siya, pinayakap mo, it only symbolizes that you are true to your advocacy, that you will uphold and you will have the highest integrity. And I really like the part when they say about the delicadeza. Nawa, hindi po maging isa tayo sa mga nasa labas na madadrag din ang name ng organization. And that's exactly what tells me this is a very good organization. That what is entrusted to all of us is something that we will be making all of our children, our grandchildren, our friends become very proud of what we do.
God-loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, spread to all people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, spread to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Mabuhay ang Angela!